Imagine this. You have sent a large consignment to an Amazon warehouse. The shipment went smoothly, but now some items haven't been offloaded and you're scrambling to find out why. Your inventory records between SAP S/4HANA and Amazon Seller Central aren't matching, and it's causing operational headaches and stress. Consignment inventory issues are a common challenge for brands selling on Amazon. It's not just about missing products, it's the uncertainty that can disrupt your entire operation, and it can cause delayed shipments, missed sales, and financial risk due to tax liabilities. But what if we tell you that you could eliminate these problems and gain full control over your consignments while still enjoying the convenience of fulfillment by Amazon? Does that sound like the perfect fix for your consignment issues? Then let's look at the entire process in action with a live demo. With APPSeCONNECT, you can seamlessly integrate with your existing SAP S/4HANA and Amazon Seller Central setup, transforming your FBA experience from frustrating to flawless. Welcome to our video on managing Amazon consignments using SAP. We'll guide you through viewing customer numbers, consignment creation dates, and how to filter reports for efficient tracking and management of shipments. Once you execute the report, it displays essential details like the Amazon shipment number, consignment status, and SAP-generated fill-up number. Clicking on the fill-up number provides direct access to the related fill-up document. Amazon consignments have various statuses such as closed, shipped, and in transit. However, in SAP, we manage only two statuses, open and closed, simplifying the tracking process. A consignment is marked as open when in receiving mode. Once Amazon confirms receipt, it changes to closed. This ensures accurate tracking of consignment status throughout the process. By clicking on the Details tab, you can access additional information like consignment number, material ID, and quantities. This helps in identifying any discrepancies or mismatches in the consignment data. If a mismatch occurs, it is reflected in the report. The consignment report includes a detailed view for filtering and tracking mismatches based on specific dates, ensuring precise management. All data, including timestamps, is updated in real time, providing the most current information. Additionally, you have the ability to manually update the consignment status when necessary for accurate record keeping. Thank you for watching our guide on managing Amazon consignments with SAP. We hope this video helps streamline your consignment tracking and management processes for better efficiency and accuracy. Since you made it this far in the video, we'll share a pro tip with you. The status and details of consignment items are not displayed to sellers, but all that info does get stored within the Amazon's back-end database. Our integration workflow pulls that consignment data through Seller Central APIs and syncs it within SAP S/4HANA. So the next time you notice discrepancies in consignment inventory levels in your ERP system in Seller Central, just check the detailed consignment report in SAP and you are good to go.